So we decided to buy a yacht. One, to enjoy it. Two, to generate another income. But before we get into that, make sure you guys like and subscribe to this channel, comment, and share it. So we decided to put our yacht on Airbnb to generate another income. So what we found out, there is a pretty lucrative business, Airbnb and a yacht. We used to do it with apartments and condos, but Airbnb got more popular. A lot of landlords started cracking down on it, so we kind of moved away from that. But two, it was a lot of hustle, just with having so many different properties to keep up or whatever for Airbnb. But with the yacht, man, it's the profit margins are a lot higher. If we charter a yacht, we can make up to $2,600 for 4 hours. So it's just a fun way just to be able to generate another income. Still enjoy everything that comes with owning a yacht, but just not as much overhead. Just for slip fee, insurance. We paid for the yacht cash. We put it in our LLC. I'll make another video about that if you guys want to know more about that and why we did it, why we put it in the LLC. Just comment below. But yeah, it's just a fun way, man, just to be out here on the water. Like I said, to cut down a lot of your costs. Why not? Put it on Airbnb, charter it out, have some fun, network, meet a lot of different people, so I'm gonna keep you guys updated. We bought this yacht last year and we're doing a full remodel. It's been a pretty fun project. Me and my wife, we've been doing it. A lot of work in the inside. It's 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, full kitchen, living room. I'll make another video giving you guys a tour. But like and subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to continue to make more videos just to show you guys how to generate money and just having a good quality of life while you're doing that. Like and subscribe.